Okay, what's happening here? Where's Pearllie? Oh, there you are. Looking like a homeless person. Alright, so guess what we're about to do today? I know you can already see the title. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Pearllie Hart, and today I am back with another video. Oh, okay, she didn't really rock now. So I'm gonna put on my bonnet first. We don't want any of the foundation to get in there. This is the worst makeup tutorial ever, so if you've not clicked off by now, I don't know, you're weird just like me. So just subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Oh, and I don't know what happened there. I really don't know. Pimples. Okay, so that's it. We're about to start worst makeup tutorial ever. Yay! So start by moisturizing. I know this because I've watched a lot of YouTube tutorials. Normally I don't do this. Oh, what's that? Okay, all right. Rub it in, you guys. Make sure you rub it in very well everywhere. Obviously everywhere, of course. And please don't taste it. Don't do that. Doesn't taste nice. All right. Now we have to hydrate ourselves. Hydrate yourselves, kids. Mind your business. Now I'm going to go over with this aloe vera plus thing. Just spray my face for more moisture. Oh my god. And all of that, yeah. Just make it, shiny. And then this is the Maybelline what's it called now, Superstay foundation. It launched I think last year or last 2 years, so yeah, I'm going to be using that. Yeah, I don't know, drops, then use the staple brush to evenly. This is not my color. Well, let's just go. Hope it oxidizes. It's a little bit too light. Let's just see how this turns out, because it looks really bad at the moment. Or maybe it's just the camera. No, it wasn't just the camera. Let's use a beauty blender. I think the brush wasn't doing quite well, so I'm going to wet it and use more of that in. This is too light, bro. But let's see how this turns out. Okay, just blending it back with the brush. And oh my god, so the coverage, that's good. Oh, okay. And then I'm going to use LA Girl Pro concealer. Can't remember. I think it's Fawn. Yeah, because I don't like too much of highlight, just like it to be like my skin color. So that's why I'm using it. Blend, beauty blender, bounce it, all around. Yay, hey. Okay, what do you want to do? Okay, you can't see yourself properly. All right, you should have just said so, Pearllie. You should have just said so. All right, so we're going to use the setting powder now to set the concealer. And hopefully it stays in place, because I am oil itself. Like I produce oil like every second, like every millisecond. So let's see if this stays. I have nowhere to go, but let's just go with that. Drink some water, play around, listen to music, let that bake. Oh, and we're back from that little commercial break. So we're going to dust up the setting powder with this brush. I have no idea. Please, it's the worst makeup tutorial ever, so you're going to have to deal with that. I told you already, I warned you. So this is the LA Pride palette, and yeah, it's messy, don't come for me. So dust it off. Now I'm going to try to do a contour, but I don't know if that's the brush to use, and I don't care. Like I told you, it's the worst makeup tutorial, so I'm going to try to make that look snatched. That's the word they use. So I'm no beauty guru, of course you already know. You can't see this from this video. This is just for fun, and yeah, to show how weird I am. Hello, I'm crazy. Are you? Okay, bye. So let's make sure this is snatched but doesn't look so messy or muddy. Doesn't look it, does it? Oh, okay, let's go with that then. Make sure it looks good. Does it look good on camera though? Okay, stop. So I don't do contour because I already have high cheekbones. No, not for me.
Waiting be love if you know that. If you know that, it's really not the same. Oh no, I never thought that I could love anybody the way that I love you. so completely. Oh my baby.
Just hold on, I can do that. That's simple, I can do that. What's happening? Oh, okay, I got it. Wait. So thank you guys for that warm up. Plus, I'm going to spray my face with Fix Plus now. Spray. You know what? Let's just drown ourselves in this. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. So these are the lipsticks I used. Yeah, the combination lipsticks. This is the ZARON. I can't remember the color at the moment. I'll put it down in the description box below. So that's what I used. That looks so orangey on my lips. Molten gold. Do you guys know how I found it? Oh no, you guys are sleeping on this. This is so pigmented. Like oh no, it's just $99, $9.99, and I think I got it for like 5,000 naira for Nigeria currency, and it is, oh my god, show me. Oh my god, look, let's just take a look at that. Like, that's gold. Oh my god. So yeah, let's do that. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna be dripping in gold, you guys. I'm gonna be brighter than your future. Oh my god, hold on. So this is the NYX NYX, I don't know how it's pronounced, Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and it's quite good. So I'm going to use it since it's like liquid, it's creamy, has a creamy consistency. So I'm going to use it, and yeah, that's the creamy whatever texture. So I'm going to use it and then use the, what's it called, master chrome over it. So for double glow, because this 2019, focus please, focus, thank you. This 2019, I'm not here to play with you at all. Oh my god, it looks so nice. It looks so nice. What? Oh my god, this should be legal. This glow should be legal. Okay, so we're bathing ourselves in it now. Okay, all right, that's good. No, it's okay, you're good, you're okay. So let's try to fix this hair situation right now. Oh no, oh my god, oh no, this is bad. What are we going to do about it? Can we try to fix it a little bit? Nah, it's really bad. Oh, hold on. Don't, you know what you're doing to me, Pearllie? Oh my god, this is illegal. Somebody arrest this girl. Oh, that's me. Oh my, see the edges, just take a look at the edges, well laid. Look at, god, this is so beautiful. You might want to skip because this is all about me gassing myself up, and I don't really care, you know, like, chill them. Frontal, where? What frontal? What frontal, sis? What frontal? What frontal? Please, that's my hair is growing from my scalp. Please don't be a hater. This is so beautiful, Pearllie. Oh my god, you're glowing. Like, this is the kind of glow that someone would say, oh, you look oily. I'm like, shut up. I'm glowing more than your future. I don't even need to slap you across the face. My highlight's going to do that. Like, just use my highlight as a mirror. Mirror to see a smudged mascara, please. Okay, can you say the note to highlight? Pip. Okay. And the eyes match with it. The eye makeup matches with the shirt. The gown, rather, the outfit. Oh, it's so beautiful. Pearllie, you're so beautiful. I don't know why I let this go on for too long. But I actually like it, you know. I wanted to cut this part a little bit, but I'm enjoying it. Just enjoying myself. Like, looking at myself. Like, this is oh my god. Baby. Oh, God. You're so beautiful. So much so beautiful. I am silly. Okay, the hair flip now. Okay, no, it's okay. Do it. Do you, boo boo? Do you? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Like, so fantastic. I love. I love. If you know you're still here, you did not skip this part, to just know you're a real person, you're a real one, and most importantly, you're a weird person. And we welcome weird people here. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share this video. What are you waiting for? Be a part of the weird family. Okay, this is in a different lighting. I just wanted to see how great it would look like, and it looks great as well. Although I prefer the other. Okay, slap me across the face. Okay. Beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see that? Thank you guys for coming to my TED Talk. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit it with your chest. I'm watching you, okay? Make sure to like. Don't dislike. No. Like this right now. Thank you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.